I am young, I am African, and I am free. Pictures surround me, influence me, and expose me.
I am grown. Experience is my guide, knowledge my weapon. I am a protector.
You are my teacher and my mentor. You clear the path before me.
You guide my choices so that I know what my freedom means.
I see the world and all its risks. Recognizing danger, I defend myself and those that I love.
As I grow, I seek your advice and your approval. You teach me to understand what you've experienced, and that makes me stronger.
I am the pilot of our destiny, the shepherd. Knowing that you will be safe as you grow makes me stronger.
I want to see the things that the world has to offer me.
Movies.
Games.
I want to read.
Connect to media.
At home.
At the movies.
With my friends.
I learn to take responsibility for myself.
We share that responsibility as you grow.
I watch, I play. I take in the words and the pictures that surround me.
I watch and guard you, keeping you safe.
My choice is informed by your choice.
And the right choice will protect you.
And set us free.
We inform, you choose.